Go. We have Team Apollo right here who have chickens on their shirt, but they are far from chicken. They get out here and they score really well. And so they're a team from Virginia, 23059C, and their colleagues from China, 10743B, with the massive bots. We know how they work. They like to gobble up all the balls, and then they'll come up, and then they'll go to the end, and they will shoot them off and give us a great show, a firestorm of balls. That is almost every single ball on the table. Look at that. Always impressive. Nothing but high goals. Shooting them off 2 at a time. Do you see that?
Did they score everything?
No, I think there's 2 more that were left. They fell off the table. But look at that. 4 seconds, 3, 2, 1. And both bots up on the ramp.
Wow.
Always impressive.
Wow. All right, that was